Are you really stressed in situations and find it challenging to have a state of mind which is relaxed? If so, then this video is for you. How to be in a resourceful state of mind, a state of mind where you are relaxed and fully in control of the situation. Let's discuss this topic with 3 action steps which I'll be giving you in this presentation. Whenever you are in a stressful situation or you are not in your control, then you will find that you are losing the ground and you are not in your own senses. So how you can take back this control and be in a state of mind where you are relaxed, peaceful, and fully within your own self. So let's discuss this topic with a presentation which I have prepared for you. I'll be sharing my screen here, and here is my screen. Building a resourceful mind state. How? How you can build a resourceful mind state where you are at peace with your own self. Before discussing how, we will discuss what is resourceful mind state. And the definition for resourceful mind state is a state, a condition in your own self that gives you the benefit or the results or the desired outcome which you want to have in your life in that situation. Moving on, what are the various examples of being resourceful or being at peace with your mind? There are a number of them, and here I am listing few of them. The first is being creative, being out of the box, thinking outside the box. Thinking possibilities, what are the opportunities, what are the other options which you have, which you can take and consider and be flexible. And the other example is choice. What are the choices you have? What are the options you have so that you can make your life easy and with a flow? The other example is openness, how open you are to the situation. And also the flexibility, how flexible you are in the situation so that you can take control of this situation. And how you are focused on the results rather than the content, rather than getting into the details, how you are focused at the outcome, the results. And the most important is how content you are with the situation or how satisfied you are with your own self. So these are few of the examples where you are in a resourceful state of mind. Moving on. What are the 3 action steps which you can take to be in a state of peace, calm, and also a state of relaxation? So the first action step which you can take is, these are the 3 action steps with respect to time. That is the past, the present, and the future. So the first is pick a role model. Whenever you are picking a role model, you are considering it for your future. That is, whenever you are looking for a role model in particular context, in a particular area, whoever you are liking in that area, say whatever the skill which you are looking for, and you are finding that that skill is being practiced as tactfully and masterfully by someone, then you are picking that role model for that context or for that skill, and you are applying for your own self. So this is a very vast and comprehensive topic. I'm just giving tidbits of how you can take these action steps to be in a resourceful state of mind. There is a whole topic behind this, picking a role model, that is modeling someone. But right for this presentation, this is what you can do for your future. The second is physiology. That is, physiology is how you move yourself, how you carry your body, how you just exhibit your body language. So it is said that physiology changes your psychology, and also the reverse. The psychology affects the physiology. So the body and mind are not separate, but they are together working in sync. So whenever you are working on your physiology, you are actually making yourself resourceful. There is a comprehensive exercise based on this physiology, how you can change your psychology, which can be done in a session, in a live session, or in a training session. But for now, if you can just focus on how you can be open, relax through your body movements, you can find that you are living in a resourceful state of mind. So this is about physiology, and this you can do in present, that is in now. Moving on to the third action step, which is in the past, is taking or considering a beneficial past experience. Whatever the past experience you had, which was good for you, which was helpful for you, which was making you happy, content, and making you relax, you can consider that beneficial experience and repeat it over and over again in your mind. As you are doing this, you are finding that you are getting into a resourceful state of mind. The basic fundamental principle behind this is that your mind does not differentiate between real and imaginary. As long as you are following this fundamental principle, you will find that you are being in a resourceful state of mind with respect to time. That is whether it is your future, whether it is your present, or whether it is your past. So these are the three action steps which will help you to be in a resourceful state of mind. So what action you are going to take, that is based upon the three action steps with respect to time, that is in the past, present, and future. What action specifically you will be taking, you are going to take so that you make your life easy and also make your life or the present situation, present condition helpful for you, beneficial for you. So please do comment below in the comment box, and then I'll be replying to your responses. As well, if you have any questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to comment and I'll be answering your queries. So this is all about today's session, and please do like this video and also share this with your loved ones and also comment, and it will be helping me to get the feedback from yourself. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. So this is for now, for today. Inshallah, I'll be back with yet another powerful video, which will be helping you to make your life easy and making your life helpful for you to live a resourceful state of mind. So Jazakallah khair for watching. Inshallah, I'll be back with yet another powerful video soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.